Hi, Gordon Birkin with Paul Davis Restoration of Broward in North Miami. I wanted to talk a little bit about what our experience was like during COVID-19 in those first few months. We looked at it as an opportunity to, as the cliche is, sharpen the axe. And the beautiful thing about a horrible event was that we took it as an opportunity to do exactly that, sharpen the axe. All of our technicians have all kinds of certifications that we never had time or energy to invest in prior to COVID-19. But through Paul Davis Corporate and providing online trainings using, as we all now know, Zoom, you've got to see our what we call Wall of Fame. It's really heartwarming. These guys are so excited. That wall is now filled with certifications and more to come. Have a great day.